Hello, and welcome to Gardening Glory. Today we're exploring plants believed to attract good luck and prosperity, an idea that's charmed gardeners for centuries. Whether you're superstitious or just love beautiful greenery, let's discover these botanical charms together. Settle in and enjoy the gentle sounds of nature as we begin. The money plant, with its heart-shaped leaves, is a global favorite for attracting wealth and positive energy. Often placed near entrances or windows, it's said to welcome prosperity while thriving in bright, indirect light. Add a money plant to your home for a touch of vibrant life and a hint of fortune. Lucky bamboo, a plant often seen gracing homes and offices, is deeply rooted in the ancient art of feng shui. Despite its name, lucky bamboo isn't actually a true bamboo at all. Instead, it belongs to the Dracaena family, specifically Dracaena sanderiana. Its slender, elegant stalks and lush green leaves have made it a symbol of prosperity and positive energy for centuries. The number of stalks in a lucky bamboo arrangement is believed to hold special significance. For example, 2 stalks are said to represent love and harmonious relationships, making them a thoughtful gift for couples or close friends. 3 stalks, on the other hand, are associated with happiness, wealth, and long life. This makes a 3-stalk arrangement a popular choice for those wishing to invite good fortune and abundance into their lives. Lucky bamboo is not only elegant and visually appealing, but also incredibly easy to care for. It thrives in water or soil, requires minimal sunlight, and can adapt to a variety of indoor environments. These qualities make it a popular gift for housewarmings, birthdays, or even as a gesture of encouragement. Placing lucky bamboo in your home or workspace is believed to bring a calming, peaceful presence. Its gentle green hues and graceful form can help reduce stress and create a sense of tranquility, making any space feel more inviting and balanced. Whether you're seeking good luck, a touch of natural beauty, or simply a way to add a bit of zen to your surroundings, lucky bamboo is a simple yet meaningful addition to any home. The peace lily, with its graceful white blooms, symbolizes harmony and calm. It purifies the air and thrives in low light, making it perfect for brightening darker corners. Place one in your bedroom or meditation space for a serene, relaxing atmosphere. Basil, also known as Tulsi, holds a special place in the hearts and homes of millions, especially in India, where it is cherished not just as a plant, but as a sacred symbol of life, health, and abundance. For centuries, Tulsi has been revered for its spiritual significance, believed to be a bridge between the earthly and the divine. Many families nurture a Tulsi plant at the entrance of their homes, considering it a guardian that brings blessings and positive energy. It's believed to ward off negativity and attract abundance, while its aroma fills your home with warmth. The gentle fragrance of basil is said to purify the air, creating a peaceful and inviting atmosphere. In traditional rituals, Tulsi leaves are offered to deities, symbolizing devotion and gratitude. Its presence is thought to foster harmony, prosperity, and a sense of well-being for everyone in the household. Versatile in the kitchen, basil brings both flavor and ancient wisdom to your life. Whether you're adding fresh leaves to a salad, infusing them in tea, or using them in traditional recipes, basil enhances every dish with its unique aroma and taste. Beyond its culinary uses, basil is valued for its healing properties, supporting the body and mind with its natural goodness. Grow it on a sunny windowsill or in your herb garden for a touch of prosperity. Watching your basil thrive is a daily reminder of nature's generosity and the abundance that surrounds us. With just a little care, this ancient plant can transform your home into a sanctuary of health, happiness, and spiritual richness. Orchids, with their exotic beauty, symbolize luxury, love, and good fortune across cultures. Gifting orchids expresses wishes for success and happiness, making them a meaningful gesture. With proper care, they reward you with stunning blooms year after year. Their vibrant colors and delicate fragrance make orchids a standout in any home. Citrus trees, like lemon and orange, are symbols of abundance and happiness. Their bright fruits and fragrant blossoms bring a touch of sunshine indoors, even on gloomy days. Place them in a sunny spot and enjoy fresh fruit right from your own tree. A citrus tree is a cheerful, rewarding way to invite prosperity into your home. The snake plant, or mother-in-law's tongue, is known for its resilience and protective qualities. Its upright leaves are said to ward off negative energy and bring good luck. Low maintenance and excellent at purifying air, it thrives almost anywhere. Add a snake plant for both style and a boost of positive energy. Aloe Vera's healing properties are legendary, soothing burns and moisturizing skin. It's also believed to attract good luck and protect against negativity. Easy to care for, aloe thrives in bright, indirect light with minimal watering. Keep one at home for its practical uses and its reputation for bringing health and fortune. Lavender's soothing scent and purple blooms have long been prized for promoting relaxation and peace. It's believed to attract positive energy and good luck, making it a favorite for aromatherapy. Grow lavender in pots or gardens to enjoy its calming fragrance and beauty. Lavender brings serenity and a touch of fortune to any space. The rubber plant with its glossy leaves is valued for both beauty and air-purifying power. In feng shui, it's believed to attract wealth and prosperity, especially in the wealth corner of your home. Low maintenance and striking, it's a statement piece for any room. Add a rubber plant for a lush, vibrant atmosphere and a symbol of abundance. We've reached the end of our journey through 10 incredible plants that are believed to bring luck, prosperity, and positive energy into your home. Each of these green companions has its own unique story and charm, from the resilient jade plant to the ever-popular money plant and the graceful, lucky bamboo. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of indoor gardening, these plants offer something special for everyone. Beyond their mystical reputations, these houseplants are wonderful additions to any living space. Their lush leaves and vibrant colors can instantly brighten up a room, purify the air, and create a calming atmosphere. Even if you're a bit skeptical about their luck-bringing abilities, there's no denying the joy and beauty they bring into our daily lives. Imagine coming home to a space filled with thriving greenery, where every corner feels more alive and welcoming. If you haven't already, consider adding one or two of these lucky plants to your home or workspace. You might be surprised by the sense of tranquility and happiness they inspire. Plus, caring for plants can be a rewarding hobby, helping you connect with nature and unwind after a busy day. Watch as your new green friends grow and flourish, and perhaps bring a little extra fortune your way. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Gardening Glory. We hope you found inspiration and practical tips to enhance your indoor garden. Remember, every plant you nurture adds a touch of magic to your home. Until we meet again, keep your plants happy, your spirits high, and your home filled with green goodness. Happy gardening! We'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or suggestions for future episodes. Share your favorite lucky plant or gardening tip in the comments below. Your feedback helps us grow and create even better content for you. Thanks again for being part of our gardening community.